Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to draw a two-story residential building plan in 2D and 3D in AutoCAD 2017. Okay, in our first portion of this tutorial, we will make this plan in AutoCAD, and later part of that tutorial, we will learn how to make that plan look like this. So this will be our final project. Okay. After completing 3D, our buildings look like this. So before we start our building plan, first we need to learn few things in AutoCAD 2017. In AutoCAD 2017, to work with, first we have to see panels AutoCAD is provided us. So AutoCAD provides a draw panel, modify panel, annotation panel, layers panel, and others so on. So in draw panel, we will use line command, polyline command. These are the common commands which we have to use in every drawing. Okay, I will show you how to use those commands. In bottom, here are some things you need to know, like this is our ortho. So in AutoCAD, if you want ortho, if you turn on your ortho, whatever you draw, it maintain 90-degree angle. Or if you turn off, then it doesn't maintain 90-degree angle. So whenever you need to draw a right angle, you must turn on this feature. It can automatically turn you can turn on by F8 or you can click here. Okay. Now this is your snapping reference, so make sure these things are turned on, like endpoint, midpoint. This is like our reference points which AutoCAD will automatically show us when we draw. So make sure these points are turned on. Okay, now I think this is so. To make a line, either you choose this line command or you can type L for short, enter. Okay, now specify your distance. Like I want 50 feet distance, that is. So here previously I was not choosing the base point, that's why it is done like that. So if you want line, space line command, start point. You see these lines is not right angle. Okay, if you want right angle, you have to turn on this ortho. Now as you can see, you cannot move beyond right angle. Okay, now you choose like 50 feet, enter, and this is your 50 feet drawing, the 50 feet line. Okay, if you want a circle, choose circle, or in keyboard type CR and give the radius, like I want a radius 60 feet. This is our 50 feet drawing. To delete any object, select object and use erase command. For short form, press E, enter. Now we will talk about some modify commands. Suppose this is our object, and I want to move this object from here to here. So how do you going to do that? Just select that object, use move command from here, or you can type M for short. Select any point, base point. You can choose here, anywhere you want, and then move around. As the ortho mode is on, you cannot move beyond 90 degrees. Okay. Now an important command is copy command. To use that, select copies. Either you choose copy or CO short form, and choose a base point like this. Okay. Now what you will learn, mirror command. To use mirror command, first make sure to draw something. Okay, now I'm deleting this object. I need to mirror this object. Okay, for doing that, select object, use mirror short from AMI, or you can choose from here mirror, give a base point and the direction. This is how it is done. Okay, now another important command we will learn how to use, that is offset. So in modify panel, you see this icon. This is our offset command. So to be able to offset, To offset any object, first you need to select this command, or you can type offset here or sort from O, and now give the distance which you want. Suppose I want 50 foot the distance. Now I have to choose the object which I want to offset, suppose this object, and then I have to choose the direction of that offset, suppose this side or this side, anything I can choose. So I choose this side, and this is how offset command is done. Okay, next we learn how to use trim command. Trim is a very important command in AutoCAD. Okay, I will show you how to do that. First, let me, here as you can see, this line is connected between these two lines, and if I want to delete this portion of the line, like this portion, how do you want to do that? We have to trim that. So for trimming, select trim, or otherwise you can sort from TR. First select the objects, press spacebar, select the portion that you want to trim, this portion or this portion. This is how it is done. If you want to trim this, it also you can do. For fast, okay, I will show you again. First take trim command, then press spacebar again and just select the portion that you want to. This is how it is done. Next we will learn how to rotate any object. Suppose I want this object to be rotated. So to do that, first choose rotate command, select object that I want to rotate, press spacebar, choose an base point and rotate it by your mouse. This is how it is done. Next we will use fillet command. So in AutoCAD 2017, if you want to fillet any edges, how do you want to do that? To fillet any object, suppose you want to fillet these edges, so first choose fillet command from here, choose the objects, and it is connected. Here we don't put any radius, that's why it's connected by that. If you want a radius, if you want circular, then you have to put radius. So to do that, first choose fillet command, choose objects, first choose fillet command, then type for radius type R, enter and give the radius. Suppose we want 2 feet, then select the objects. This is the angle which I want. This is how the fillet command. Next we will learn how to use stretch command. Okay, to stretch any object, what do you have to do? Suppose I want to stretch this object here to here. So to do that, first we have to select this from this portion, press enter, choose the base point, and then this is how it stretches. Okay. Also we will learn extend command, that is somewhere here, otherwise you can choose extend, EX, that is extend command. Suppose we want this line to be extended here, so first choose the baseline where you want to connect, press enter, then select the line to be extended. This is how it is done.